In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to order Domino's pizza online with discount. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can order Domino's delivery online and how to potentially get discounts. So first of all, I'm gonna teach you how to go through the process, and then I'm gonna be talking about possible discounts. First, go to Domino's.com either through the website or the mobile app and choose the option here, Start Your Order Delivery. Of course, if you prefer, you can also choose Carryout. Then you will have to input your location on a map. Once you confirm your location, you can now proceed to choose from the menu. So you will see options like offers, build your own pizza, main pizzas, chicken, and so on. If you just want something with a discount, I recommend going over to offers. In here, you can see individual offers that they might be offering. So for example, you can get one small hand-tossed pizza, one side and a drink, and the price will be displayed here. If you choose add offer, all of the items will appear for you to pick. So among that specific deal, you can choose the items. So you choose one, select the amount, customize or just add to order, and then proceed. So it is simple to set up. Of course, you should spend a lot of time customizing this however you prefer. I'm just speeding through the process to show you how it looks like overall. And after you are done with the coupon, you choose this option, and then if you want to, you can proceed to checkout. You can also use the option enter code at the top if you have a specific offer code to proceed. And if you have an account, you can sign into any rewards. You can get points that you can exchange for other things later. They are going to offer to add additional things to this checkout page, and if you don't want to, you can just skip. As you can see, offer applied, you saved, and then you can just finish it up with an offer code or continue checkout where you can choose any of the payment methods available on the website or the mobile app. It is simple to do and it should work for any location. I hope I was able to help you on how to order Domino's Pizza online with discount. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.